Start counting, sing with me. Numbers are fun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting numbers is so easy. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, kids, let's go slow. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Learning numbers happily. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Counting numbers nice and slow. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep on counting, you're alive. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Say hooray, we're doing great. 41, 42, 43, 45. Numbers, numbers we adore. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Counting numbers more and more. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Counting numbers, high five. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. You are smart, yes it's true. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Keep on counting, smile big. 67, 67, 68, 69, 70. Counting numbers nice and slow. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Keep on counting, smile big. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Almost there, nice and steady. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Counting numbers happily. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Great job, kids, keep it going. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Numbers help us learn and thrive. 96, 97, 98, 99. Get ready, kids. Last one time.
100! Hooray!
We counted numbers all the way.
Bye-bye, kids. See you again. Subscribe our channel at How Tiny Smart World.